Hello my queen and welcome to LesBellesDEbene, a space dedicated to the encouragement and development of African women. My queen, I know that in this often harsh, sometimes cruel world, you are told repeatedly that you have to be alone. That you have to crush others to move forward. But I want you to know that this vision is false. That true power comes from connection, solidarity, and sisterhood. I am going to tell you the inspiring story of Sheroes, a colleague of African women in Nairobi who, despite the obstacles, chose to unite, support each other, and conquer the world of entrepreneurship and leadership together. Stay with me until the end, my queen, because this story is a treasure trove of hope and strength. Story: Sheroes, breaking glass ceilings. Nairobi is a city in full swing, a crossroads where modernity, traditions intertwine, where every day is a struggle to find one's place. In this city full of promise, Grace Mwende is a remarkable woman. At 38, Grace is a software engineer, passionate about technology and innovation, but her journey hasn't been easy. In a male-dominated industry, she's faced skepticism, prejudice, and loneliness. She remembers sleepless nights trying to prove her worth, meetings where her voice was ignored, doors closed for no reason. Yet, Grace then, a career, she refuses to give up. But she also understands that solitary success has a bitter taste. She dreams of a space where Black women could gather, remember, and share their strengths and resources. One day, during an informal gathering with fellow entrepreneurs, the idea was born to create a network, a sanctuary for ambitious women where competition turns into collaboration. This is how Sheroes, the collective of brilliant, committed women, each carrying a dream and unfailing determination, was born. Jerry Camo, 32, founder of a sustainable fashion brand that combines traditional Kenyan fabrics with a modern and ethical design. Wanji Kun Jenga, 40, leadership coach and personal development expert, who helps women overcome their fears and reveal their inner power. Amina Hassan, 35, a lawyer passionate about defending women's rights, the fight against systemic discrimination. Their shared mission: to create an ecosystem where every woman can learn, grow, and flourish. Sheroes organizes weekly workshops where we will learn writing a solid business plan, mastering digital tools to make ourselves known, managing stress and everyday challenges, negotiating with confidence and authority. These workshops are also spaces for discussion. Each woman can express her doubts, her fears, her victories. The collective sets up a powerful mentoring program, where a more experienced woman accompanies another on her path, offering advice, encouragement, and sometimes even a financial helping hand. Because Sheroes doesn't just walk the talk. They know that money is often a barrier for women who want to start businesses. So they created a solidarity fund, funded by membership fees, donations from committed companies, and partners. This fund allows them to invest in the most promising projects, helping to finance training, materials, and even marketing campaigns. Over the months, Sheroes grew, became a movement, a source of inspiration. During a major forum bringing together more than 500 women in Nairobi, Grace took the stage, her heart beating fast. She looked at this mother with a determined face and spoke to them passionately. "We have long believed that success was a solitary struggle. A path is fraught with pitfalls that we must travel alone. But I reiterate that this is not true. That when we join forces, share our talents and resources, we are invincible. We are Sheroes, heroines of our time, and together, we are writing a new story for African women." This evening is a turning point. Tears of emotion flow, hugs are shared, promises are born. Sheroes has become more than a network. A family, a tribe, a refuge, and above all, a model, as other African cities and other countries begin to create their own horses. My queen, if I tell you this story today, it is so that you understand that you do not have to walk alone in this often harsh world. That your light grows and shines even brighter when you are surrounded by women who support you, who believe in you, who help you rise. Breaking glass ceilings is first and foremost about rising together. Solidarity among Black women is the key to powerful and lasting leadership. Thank you for following this story to the end. God bless you, and see you soon. Stories and informative.